Hey everyone, I hope all is well. This is your girl Serena, and I am here with a weekly post about ovarian cancer awareness. But before I get started, I wanted to pay my respects to the late, great U.S. Supreme Court Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg, also known as RBG. She unfortunately lost her battle to cancer yesterday on Friday, and I did not find out until about 8:30, 9 o'clock last night, and I am crushed. I am deeply crushed over this loss. We just buried Representative John Lewis. Less than a year ago, it was Representative Elijah Cummings. And I feel as if we are just losing a lot of our warriors who stood for justice. They stood for us, no matter what our gender is, our race is. They fought for gender equality. So definitely want to send out my deepest condolences to her beloved children and grandchildren. May she rest in peace. I know she is reunited with her husband Marty, and I know he greeted her once she crossed through the gates of heaven. So just wanted to put that out there. I know a lot of people are hurting right now, and we will get through this, and we have to continue the fight, and we have to stand together as one and fight together for justice for all. So with that, I wanted to definitely talk about ovarian cancer awareness in regards to talking about rights and justice. So, again, as I tell people my story, I'm very transparent. My mother passed away to ovarian cancer February of 2010, and I am considered high risk. I cannot tell you the bouts I have had with insurance companies, one in particular, I will not say any names. And every year since my mother passed away, I get a transvaginal ultrasound. That is really the only way that they can really see deep within my cavity. They could see my ovaries, my uterus, because unfortunately a pap smear, as I said before in other videos, does not detect ovarian cancer. And of course, in a pap smear, in your annual GYN exam, your gynecologist cannot see your ovaries, unfortunately. So there was a health insurance company where I got my exam done, and I never got a bill from my other health insurance company, but I had to switch over for my job, and I received a bill in the mail. Never received a bill before. And it was for a few $100s. And I called them, and they basically said there was really no need for you to get this kind of exam or test because you don't have the cancer. I told them the goal is to get the exam every year to hopefully prevent this cancer, just see what my ovaries are doing and see what's going on in there the best way we know how. And it was a back and forth battle between me, and even my doctor called the insurance company and explained why I get this exam every year. And they just would not let up. So again, we have to keep fighting for what is right. And I will keep getting this exam every year. But there are insurance companies out there that will not approve of this exam. There are doctors out there that will try and tell you ladies, you don't need this exam, it's fine. There's blood tests and things of that nature. You can have a perfect CA 125. That's the exam you want to take, the blood test, the lab work. Or maybe a slightly elevated CA 125 and have ovarian cancer. Sometimes that lab work does not detect it. So I just wanted to put that out there. To keep fighting, keep doing what you can do, ladies. get that transvaginal ultrasound, get your lab work done, get the genetic test done. You want to make sure you get the test done for your genetics and your genes to make sure that hopefully you don't have the gene mutation. That is one thing I wanted to talk about people today, is that you want to get the gene test done. You may hear people call it the BRCA test. So you have the 1 and 2. Everybody has this gene. Let's just put that out there. Everybody has this gene, but what the doctors and the labs are looking for is a gene mutation. If you have a mutation, that raises red flags. I have had that I've had that lab work done, and luckily mine was negative, but I still will keep getting transvaginal ultrasounds and do everything I need to do. So with that being said, I just wanted to leave you with that. Again, I am selling Crying Tears of Teal this month for $20 plus shipping and handling. 75% of the proceeds does go back to chapters of the National Ovarian Cancer Coalition, the DC Metro chapter, and the Central Maryland chapter. Also an organization in Austin, Texas called Nell'd It, and Share Cancer Support. Please help me to sell more books. I have about 25 more copies left. I want to sell out so each organization and chapter can get a good amount of money from book sales. And I just wanted to leave you really quickly with a really short introduction to Journey 1 in Crying Tears of Teal, called Next Steps. My steps have been ordered. Wish I could turn back the hands of time. The moment I felt disorder in my body, no one could tell me it was cancer and that it was the final answer. I've chosen to take those next steps for my family and my personal health. Scared to death what this road will lead to. Either way, I've chosen to fight and go full speed ahead, taking those next steps. So, leaving you with that. Thank you again for your time. And again, please feel free to reach out with any questions, comments. I would love to talk with you. And let's keep spreading joy and love. Keep advocating for the things that we need to advocate for that is right, and love one another. Take good care, everyone. God bless you. And again, Crying Tears of Teal on my website, serenawills.com. You can go to the store and go under fundraisers and you will find the book. Take good care. God bless you.